Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia Hernandez. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're watching this video, it's because you want to know how to make your nails last longer. So first off, I'm going to show you all the tools that we're going to use. And first, you need a nail filer. That's very important. And also nail clippers. And so you're going to need another tool to push your cuticles down on your nails, push the nail polish, and also nail polish remover. And you need your color. I use Essie, the brand Essie, because I really like their nail polish formula, and I think it's good quality, and I think they last longer, this particular brand. And also I like the clear transparent nail polish, and it's also going to dry up the nail polish faster. So this is a speed setter nail polish by Essie, and I'm using this other like red color, and it's also by Essie. So first off, we're going to use our nail clippers to clip your nails. If you like them short, I like mine short, so I'm going to clip them. They've gotten too long, so I'm going to use the nail clippers. You're going to also file down your nails and make them the shape, whatever shape you want. I make them kind of like squarish. your nails are soaked enough, I like to leave them for like 30 seconds to a minute. So once they're nice and soaked, I'm going to dry them up with this clean towel. So after I clean them off, now I'm going to apply the transparent or the clear nail polish and to all my nails. I'm going to cover all the area of my nails. And then after that, I'm going to use the nail polish color, which in this case it's red. And first, and how I like to apply the nail polish, I start by making an L on my nail. So first you start a nail, so first you color, you kind of like paint on like a horizontal line on your the end of your nail, and then you cover the other end, and then you start, and then you cover the middle. So you start the ends and then go to the middle, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do this to the rest of my nails. And then after I am done with the first coat, I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. After that, I'm going to use the Envy Salon Professional. I'm going to use the nail enamel dryer by Envy Nail Professional. This will dry the nail polish way faster. Next, I'm going to set the nail polish with the different nail polish. This is by Sally Hansen. It's called the Miracle Gel Top Coat. I really like this formula as well, and I like Sally Hansen products and nail polishes. So I'm gonna use this. So my nails will. This will also help to make your nails last longer. The nail polish to last longer.